Hey guys, in this video we will discuss some horrifying and amazing facts about space. Number 1. Gamma ray bursts. When a galaxy explodes, it releases a massive burst of gamma rays, powerful enough to completely annihilate any planetary bodies in its path. According to a 2018 research, a gamma ray burst will occur in the Milky Way once every 5 million years. Number 2. Vampire stars. Vampire stars can suck the life out of other stars. Scientifically known as O-type stars, vampire stars are enormous blue giants, attached to much smaller stars, that get consumed by their sheer gravitational pull. However, vampire stars don't last long. Once it consumes a smaller star, an O-type star explodes into a supernova. This is because so much mass and energy is accumulated into it, that its own gravity literally tears it apart. Number 3. The Great Attractor. 150 to 250 million light-years from our galaxy, lies a dreaded space anomaly called the Great Attractor, with a gravitational pull so powerful that it can pull entire galaxies towards itself, and collapse them into each other. Number 4. Meteors. The most realistic threat our planet faces is meteors. Over 100 million large meteorites exist in our solar system, and roughly 500 reach the Earth's surface annually, though most of them are either too small to cause serious damage, burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, or crash into the ocean. However, there's been cases of meteors crashing into the Earth and causing devastation. In 2013, a meteorite crash in Russia created a powerful shockwave that broke glass windows in cars and buildings, and in neighboring towns and cities, injuring 400 people in the process. Number 5. Staying in zero gravity. Staying in zero gravity for long periods of time can affect a person's physical and mental health. Some astronauts that spent weeks in space experienced muscular atrophy. To make matters worse, astronauts can develop mental health conditions like depression and anxiety, due to being away from physical human interaction for so long, and thus require psychological therapy after their space missions. Number 6. Extended space travel can change your DNA. Yes. Not only can long-term space travel affect you physically and mentally, it could also disrupt your DNA. In 2016, astronaut Scott Kelly returned to Earth after a year-long stay on board the International Space Station. Upon returning, he noticed that he'd grown 2 inches taller than his identical twin. Scientists were shocked to find that not only did Scott now have different gut bacteria than Mike, his identical twin, but that his DNA was also different from his twin brother. Number 7. Planets with no moon. Mercury and Venus are the only 2 planets in our solar system that have no moons. In total, there are 176 confirmed moons that orbit the planets in our solar system, with some of them being bigger than Mercury itself. Number 8. Highest mountain in space. The highest mountain discovered is the Olympus Mons, which is located on Mars. Its peak is 16 miles, 25 kilometers high, making it nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Number 9. Light year. A light year is the distance covered by light in a single year. Light moves at the velocity of about 186,411 miles, which is 300,000 kilometers a second. So 1 light year equates to roughly 5 billion miles. Number 10. Sun weight. The Sun weighs about 330,000 times more than Earth. It is about 109 times the diameter of Earth, and is so large the Earth could fit inside the Sun about 1,300,000 times over. In fact, the Sun is so gigantic that it contains 99.85% of all mass in our solar system. Number 11. No sound in space. The universe is completely silent. Sound on Earth travels through vibrations in the air. But in outer space, there is no air for sound to travel. So these were some amazing and horrifying facts about space. If you like this video, share with others and subscribe the channel.